Shortly now, we're going to close the front door and be on our way. We picked up a little bit of ice on the top of the wings on the way in, flying through the rain shower that's passed through. It is melting, but not melting quick enough, and we do need to remove that from the top of the wing, so we're going to get that de-iced. It hasn't melted by the time we push it back. Once we do get flying, flight time is 2 hours and 10 minutes to London. Cloudy but dry in London, a little bit breezy as well. Temperature was 10 degrees when we left earlier. Women fly then today doing the Flying City First Officer Greg Watkins. Greg's going to have a word later with an update on progress, and leading Captain today is Captain Service Manager James Davies. Just before we go, I need to tell you about our seatbelt policy. All it is, any time during the flight when the seatbelt signs are illuminated, we can ask you to return to your seat and fasten the belt, please. That's it from me. Enjoy the flight. Get to Heathrow as soon as we can.
And procedures on board this British Airways Airbus A320 aircraft. As this video demonstration is shown for your own benefit and is particular to each aircraft type, we therefore ask you to watch and give this your full attention. We'd also like to remind our fellow customers that there have been some changes to our safety procedures that may not yet be reflected in the video itself. We'd like to remind you all that smaller items of personal electronic equipment, such as iPhones, Kindles, e-readers and iPads, may be used for taxi takeoff, approach and landing, as long as they are handheld or placed securely into a pocket. Larger items such as laptops must now be switched off and securely stowed, and if you're using any personal headphones, we do recommend removing these for the entirety of the safety briefing. Thank you. all our aircraft and all our lavatories are fitted with sensitive smoke detectors. In a few moments, the cabin crew will be passing through the cabins with landing cards and customs forms from the United Kingdom. If you're not in possession of a European passport or a direct international transit from London Heathrow when we land, you will need to complete a landing card. Please do ask a member of the cabin crew if you do have any questions regarding this matter, or indeed if you require a landing card. After this, we'll be commencing our in-flight service, offering complimentary food and drink to all of our customers. After the food and beverage service has been completed, we'll then be passed through the aircraft by chairside duty-free service. If there are any last-minute purchases you wish to make, then please do ask the member of